Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Alegra Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on the Start Setup button, and you're simply going to enter your login email, your Alegra login email, and you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Configuration. On the configuration page, you're going to scroll down and click on Integrations. Click on Manual Integration and copy your token. You're going to click on the copy icon and copy your token. Head over back to your account and enter your token. Click on Complete Setup. Great. Your app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can actually book a call with our support team. We equally have the change log. Here you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.